So here she is, the UNSC Crying Cicada.
Yep. All she needs now is a crew. Isn't that right, Captain Flash?
She sure does, and soon she will have one.
Yep. A bunch of fire teams are waiting for you, sir.
That sounds like a lot of Marines.
Better than that, sir.
ODSTs? That's cool.
Better, sir.
Better?
Spartans, sir.
Spartans? I thought Project Orion was a bust.
Oh, it was, but Phase 2 was much more successful.
Phase 2? How do you know of this?
Special Oni intel, sir.
Very interesting.
Your first recruit is being initiated as we speak, sir. Spartan 138 of the Spartan 2 program is currently in training to become the leader of your first fire team. And after him, many more are being selected to follow suit.
The insurrection won't know what's hit them.
Indeed they won't, sir. Indeed they won't.
Well, all aboard the Crying Cicada.